Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram feedback required login error on iPhone. So guys, if you are trying to log in your account on Instagram, you are facing this issue. Here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all you have to simply open settings on your device and then go to general settings and then go to iPhone storage and then go to Instagram from here first, and then offload your Instagram for one time from here, and after this download and install the latest version of Instagram on your device as well. So guys, search for Instagram and download and install the latest version of Instagram app on your device. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply open settings on your device again and then go to general, then go to software update and update your software to the latest version. After this, go back and now go to date and time and set your date and time from here, or turn on the toggle for set automatically. After this, go back and go to language and region, tap on region and select your country or region correctly. After this, go back and go to VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply go to transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time as well. So guys, do this and hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.